Emma. I'm a program lead here at the City of Deer Park Parks and Recreation. Let's do a dragonfly craft today. Okay, so for this you will need 3 pipe cleaners. They don't have to be green, that's just what I have because it's going to be a dragonfly. You'll need 11 pony beads. They can be any color you like. Some general purpose glue. 2 googly eyes. And some scissors. Okay, so to start, you will take one of your pipe cleaners. Again, they do not have to be green. That's just all I have. But they can be any color you want, sparkly, not sparkly, whatever. So you'll take one of them, you will fold it in half. And then you will insert from the folded side 10 of your pony beads. And you're going to want to leave an inch from the folded side out. You'll want to leave an inch gap on that folded end. Okay, now we're going to take another one of our pipe cleaners and turn it into a circle. And so we're going to do this by, we're going to cross right here. And then instead of twisting them at the top, we're going to twist the ends around the circle to kind of hide the ends. See how it kind of hides them there? We're just going to twist them around the circle to where it's just one circle. And then we're going to take that circle and slide it onto our dragonfly. We're going to pinch it at the center here, like so, as if you're making wings, and then you're just going to pinch and twist a couple times here around the center so that you're kind of making wings. Like so. Okay, so you'll take your last pipe cleaner. Ignore that this is already cut off because I already cut it. But you'll cut off about 2 inches off of it, and you're not going to need it, so you can just throw it to the side. And like that last circle, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cross it with about 1 inch. And then instead of turning it upwards to go out, we're going to internally turn the edges of the pipe cleaner to where we are turning it inside the circle, around the circle, so that it just looks like one big, or small, should I say, circle. Like so. So then, this time you're gonna, this is a smaller circle, so we're going to bring it below those first set of wings that we made. And we're gonna kind of do the same thing like we did that first time. So we'll pinch it in the center, and then we'll take our smaller circle, we'll twist a little bit there, twist a little bit here. Oh, that's okay. And if the ends of your edges come out, that's fine. You can twist it back later. So that we kind of have butterfly wings. Okay, so now we have these antenna-like things left over. So we're going to take those and we're going to twist those to kind of make like a little spiral. Alright, and then we're just going to kind of form it to where it looks like a little circle there for the head. And now we get to add our googly eyes, which may be larger than we need them to, but it'll still be really cute, so it doesn't matter. So I'm taking my, this is tacky glue, all-purpose adhesive, but you can probably use any glue you have, will probably work fine. We're just going to put 2 little dabs and then we'll have some eyeballs. Oh yeah, these are way too big, but that's what's going to make it funny. And I got a little glue on the table, but it's okay. I was afraid of that. But that will be okay. All right, y'all, and we have our dragonfly.